everyone! Welcome to Sara Daily English.
I live in Shanghai. Every morning, I wake up early with a smile. I open my window and look at the beautiful city. The sky is soft and blue. I wash my face. Get ready, and wear my favorite work clothes. Then I make a healthy breakfast. I eat fruit, eggs, and drink warm coffee. After breakfast, I check my phone. I read my messages and look at my daily schedule. Today is a busy day. I have meetings and shopping after work. I leave my home and get into my car. The morning streets slowly become busy. I enjoy watching the tall buildings and beautiful city. Soon I arrive at my office. My team greets me with happy smiles.
Welcome to the team. We are so excited to have you here.
Thank you. I am excited to be here.
We heard great things about you.
First, I check some important documents. Then I answer emails on my laptop. I like to keep everything organized. After that, I join my first meeting. We talk about new ideas for the company. Everyone shares good opinions. I listen carefully. The meeting finishes and I write some notes. I feel excited because our new project looks great.
Let's allocate more resources to the digital campaign.
Next, I visit different teams in the office. I ask if they need help. We laugh and work together.
Let's update the Q3 projections with these new figures. Running the simulation now? Look at that increase. Perfect, that's exactly what we needed.
At lunchtime, I eat with my coworkers. We enjoy healthy food and talk about fun things. In the afternoon, I have another meeting with business partners. We discuss future plans. The meeting goes very well.
I think this is the start of a great partnership.
Absolutely. Great work, everyone.
When my work is finished, I feel proud. I close my laptop and leave the office. Now it is shopping time. I visit a beautiful shopping mall. The lights are bright and many stores look wonderful. I walk into a clothing store. I find a nice bag and a beautiful notebook. I also buy a small gift for my friend.
It went through. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Here you go. Have a nice day.
After shopping, I stop at a cozy cafe. I drink hot tea and enjoy a small cake while looking at the city outside. The sun slowly sets behind the tall buildings. Shanghai looks colorful and peaceful. Finally, I return home. I put my shopping bags on the table and relax on the sofa. Before sleeping, I read a few pages of a book. Then I write in my journal. I smile, turn off the light, and sleep peacefully.